All right, so that's what we're doing in lesson 47. All right, so today we're learning our grammar MCQs. We're going to learn a little bit of visual text and we're going to do a little bit of open-ended comprehension. All right, so when I have your, can you all hear me? Can you give me a thumbs up if you can hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Why is nobody giving me a thumbs up? Yusin, can you give me a thumbs up in your reaction button? If you can hear me. Oh, he went to the chat. Wait, your mic sounds a bit weird. All right, am I loud and clear now? Muffled? Do I sound muffled? Can you unmute and speak? So
It sounds a bit like muffled, yeah.
all right, I'm gonna try something else. Let me know if this is better. Is this better? Yes, no? Alrighty. Victoria, can you use the reaction button or your thumbs up to show me that you can hear me? Okay, good. All right. Okay, so when I show you the questions, can I get you to type in your answers in the chat? All right. During the weekend, I sometimes go cycling, swimming, running. A, B, or C, or D. Chat button, please. You need to send the answer to me privately. Okay, Victoria. It's busy with the chicken. Sweetie, just put the answer as A, and do not, you do not send the answer to everyone. You send it to me privately. Okay? All right, no worries. Victoria's gone anyway. So it doesn't matter. We'll just wait for her. So what's your favorite subject, Yusin? You there, Yusin? What's your favorite subject? Yusin, can you hear me? What's your favorite subject? Is that your favorite subject? Oh, so sad. You don't know. Why? Don't know a favorite subject. Oh, you like, oh, okay, not too bad. Which subject did you do your best in your end of the year exam? Oh, depend on the teacher. Okay. So what was your favorite subject? What was the subject that you did the best? The boy's thinking. Okay, Victoria's back. Math, science, and Chinese. So sad. English is not even there. All right, Victoria, could you answer that in private message to me, darling? English is a bit bad. Don't worry, that's why you're here. So Victoria, because my toggle is not working, could you type in the answer in the bracket there? You know how to do it, right? Annotate, and then, is that how you do it? I'll still need to write it, I think. Hang on, never mind. Let me try to do it myself. Oh dear.
I was just about to type.
All right, never mind. I will write it. Okay, guys, what's the answer? Can you put it for me in the chat? Houston has given me the answer. What is it, Victoria? Type it for me in the chat. Come on, we need to go a bit faster, guy. Victoria? Type me the answer, darling. A, B, C, or D. Thank you. So the answer is, hang on. The answer is A. Am I right? A for N. All right, let's look at the next slide. Very quickly, he left office early, he was not feeling well. Answer? Thank you, Victoria. Sorry. Thank you. Answer is C. Am I right? All right. Next one. She's learning French. She can communicate with a French neighbor. It's pretty easy for y'all. Only one of you have answered? Yeah. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh no, what's happening? What's wrong? Sorry, I need to erase it. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's happening with my... Sometimes it gets really wonky. She's learning French so that... All right, next one. Dash, I may be in the world, but I'll always be thankful to you. Thank you, Yusin. Victoria? A, whenever I may be in the world. No, not whenever. Yusin, what's the answer for 4? Not D. Yes, wherever. Victoria, is because I may be in the world. So wherever I am in the world, all right. Sorry, the answer is B. Wherever I may be, not whenever. Whenever's got to do with time. Whatever, it's like not whichever, which has got to do with things. So this has got to be with a place. So wherever. So answer is B. All right, next question. 5, he will forgive you. Dash, you will count your mistake in front of him. Yusin gave me already. He will forgive you. Not account, accept. Sorry. Yes, he will forgive you as long as you accept. Okay, so he'll forgive you if you will accept. All right, so that was pretty easy. Let's go on to the next one. So next one we're doing is visual text. So this is the visual that I would like you all to look at. Just give me 1 second because my mouse dropped and I need to pick up my mouse. And my setup is such that it's not easy to pick it up. Give me a second. All righty. Okay, so this is a Southeast Clean and Green Singapore. All right, there's an atrium, there's so I want you to take a look at this. All right, and then let's look at the first question, okay? All right, let's look at the first question. What event is this poster promote? Okay, can I tell you guys, in order for you to answer this question, I think it's best if you take a picture of this poster. Do you want to quickly take a picture of this poster? Take your mobile phone and take a picture. Yeah. Yusin, you've got the most interesting backgrounds ever. You had a cockroach, you had a... Is that an orangutan or is it something else, Yusin? Are you an animal lover? Yusin, in my class, you need to unmute and speak, darling. You can't always just be typing.
It's monkey.
What is it?
Monkey.
How do I spell it?
M-O-N-K-E. Monkey.
Oh, monkey. Not a monkey, but a monkey. Thanks for teaching me how to pronounce monkey in a very interesting way. All right. Are you ready? Have you taken, Victoria, have you taken a picture? Okay, good. Let's go. So next one, next slide. All right. What event is this poster promoting? What event is this poster promoting? Please chat button now. Monkey, not with the without the Y. A, Victoria says Southeast and clean. You told me sustainable Singapore. Look at the picture again. What is it promoting? Is it about a sustainable Singapore? Is it clean and green? So the answer is what? A, Southeast, clean and green. All right, so the answer is A. All right, let's do the next one. Yusin, you need to pay a bit more attention, darling. All right, again, the picture. Where will Southeast Clean and Green Singapore event be held? Where is it held? Yusin got it right. Victoria, have you answered me? Victoria, is it food center? Go back again. Where is this held? Atrium Heartbeat at Bedok. It's beside the food center, darling. It's not at the food center. So what is the answer? Food center or Bedok? Definitely D. So the answer is D. 1 point for Yusin and 1 point for Victoria. Oh my God, what's happening? All right, question number 8. According to the poster, participants can snap a photo with Captain Green, standee, to do what? Yusin, I'm very distracted by your background. Participants can snap a photo with a Captain Green standing. Thank you. You got the answer. Yusin got it right. Victoria, what's the answer, darling? Thank you. The answer is to get a mystery gift. Oh no. What's wrong? Sorry, guys. Mystery gift. All right, let's do the next one. According to the poster, which of the following is not a prize to be won? Is not a prize to be won. Read the poster carefully. Which of the poster, according to the poster, which of the prizes is not to be won? Victoria, you're right. Yusin? All right, MacBook Pro. How nice if they only will give you a MacBook Pro, right? But that is not a prize to be won. All right, next question. James wants to attend the Southeast Clean and Green Singapore. When can he do so? When can he do so? When can James attend it? Who's keeping scores? Who's going to get this one right? Yusin, correct. Victoria, correct. 12 November 2024. All right, answer is C. Thank you. All right. According to the poster, what items can be recycled for a good